Your hair looks nice from a guy to another guy. Thank you. You know what it is? I have this like really funky hair right here, and it's starting to all grow back. And I have like my hair kind of like, you know, swoopy. I don't know. Something like that. But I appreciate that, Licorice. But I hope you all have been having a fantastic couple weeks. I know we haven't like talked heart to heart, you know? Not here. But I hope you've been enjoying the reruns if you're able to make them the past couple weeks. We were rerunning a project from before called Simple Alerts. And man, that was a fun project, and it was so funny to watch some of those videos from before. When we were first starting off, you know? Well, I appreciate you guys sticking around and hanging out. But welcome back to another live stream. Today's just going to be like, it's going to be super chill. I don't really have like an idea of what's going on. We're going to still be working on some cycles, some iOS stuff today. But it'll just be like super laid back. Just want to hang out, see what's up. And just talk about like future of what we want to do. Because I think there's some opportunity for some new stuff that we can start doing. And like, just like start fresh with some new stuff, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do today. Just hang out. And yeah, and I did want to finally, because it's been a while. I did want to finally talk about why I was out in Seattle for so long. You guys know that the past week I was out for business, but before that I was even out longer for some stuff. So we'll get to that a little later today. But what you said about to my message above, just have to leave for a minute. Message above. Oh, gotcha. Sure thing, Boki. But let's start with some tech news today. It's been some time. Today I saw this. Lenovo shows off world's first foldable PC. I guess we didn't learn from the first foldable screen device, but here's this one apparently from Lenovo. And I'm quite interested to see what it's all about here. So folding phones are being pitched as the next big wave of tech, and whether or not that turns out to be true, the industry has no plans to stop there. Lenovo has just announced what it says is the world's first foldable PC, prototype ThinkPad, that iterates the foldable tech we've already seen from phones on a much bigger scale. It's not just a cool tech demo either. Lenovo has been developing this for over 3 years and has plans to launch a finished device in 2020 as part of its premium ThinkPad X1 brand. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. The goal here is to premiere a product that will be a laptop class device, not an accessory or secondary computer like a tablet might be. No, that looks strange. I don't want a computer like that. Yeah, man. I don't know. Maybe the tech is there, but from what we saw earlier, it might not be. Yo, DK Bay, hold the frick up. Yes, this is live, Alec in the flesh right now. I am actively reading what you're saying. This is not a recording. This is not a drill. Welcome, man. Thanks for coming by today. Live recording. Oh, I forgot actually. I forgot to update the task on Nightbot. So I'm going to do that right now before we continue on reading this about foldable computers. Freaking craziness. Oh, man. Hold on, folks. Sorry about that. Gotta do 2FA, baby. All right. And then that last part right there, Dan. I'm just updating the task for Nightbot. All right. My bad there. 2FA all the things have been 2FA'd. Thank you. Yo, Raymondton! Good morning to you too, friend. Welcome back. Thanks for stopping in. Alright, so cool factor aside though, why build a folding PC? The answer is largely portability. Conceptually, it's the opposite of what most of the foldable phones out there are trying to do. There are companies like Samsung and Huawei that are trying to take a device that the size of a regular phone and make them bigger. That is true, 100%. But the idea of being a foldable ThinkPad is to take a full-size PC and make it smaller. Oh, makes sense, right? The result is a 13.3-inch 4x3 2K OLED display that can fold up to the size of a hardcover book. No exact weights or anything. That's already enough to put on. Put it on the lighter side of the portable computer spectrum, but the size savings are really when you fold it in half, making it dramatically smaller than a regular laptop. I can see like that would be pretty cool. The thing is, the bit in the middle of the screen looks bad. That's what I'm saying. Like you can obviously see it here, right? But maybe it's different in person. Maybe it's just how the camera is capturing it based on the pixels. You know how you like film a video on your computer or something like that, and sometimes it's just really off. It could be something like that. I will say that I really did like the size of it more than I expected. Fold it up, it's far smaller than even a regular size 13-inch laptop, and while it's not exactly something you'll fit in a jacket pocket, even a large one, it's comparatively compact. The folded mode was really nice to hold in my hand, like a giant glowing book. Fingers crossed Lenovo or someone put proper e-reader software for futures. A 2-page digital book of my my dreams. Interesting. And people say you can feel it. Yeah, so that's like, that was Samsung's, their phone, right? I'm curious if Lenovo has come with something different. But like, look, even down here, like you can totally see that, right? Right down there. I don't know. I want a keyboard anyways. When I'm on a computer, it's not very portable and you have to bring your own keyboard. That is true. Well, apparently like half the screen folds into it's a touchpad keyboard. It looks like here, at least from like here. So if you're a fan of touchpad keyboards, yeah. I think that's another huge hurdle. If people were terrified of the escape button on the touch bar on your Mac becoming this display key, I don't know how people are gonna feel about this. Yeah, I remember. I mean, I agree. I have to feel it. I agree with you both. Yeah, 100%. The hardware is also clearly unfinished at this stage. The folding mechanism doesn't feel particularly sturdy on the prototype. Lenovo wouldn't let us shoot close-up pictures. Oh god, excuse me. Of how the hinge works, or it looks like closed. Oh, so they're already looking out. And the screen had remarkably poor viewing angles, shifting colors widely when looked at from even slight angles, particularly problematic for folding screens. All that will hopefully be sorted on more finished hardware though. Roars! Holy moly. Good day, friend. Welcome. Are you sneaking at work right now? Are you like, yo, let me pull up the Twitch? Thanks for stopping in. I hope your day's going well. Hold on, put me on the loudspeaker real quick. I'll tell him all to relax. It'll be okay. I don't know if I want more screen than I have on my MacBook though. I would agree. I'm interested to see where this screen keyboard thing comes into play, you know? Like, I think I don't know if you all remember a while back when BlackBerry phones were like the thing, right? BlackBerry came out with this phone where you used your screen, right, as your keyboard, but they had tactile feedback as you would press buttons. So it's supposed to feel like you're pressing a button. If they could replicate that on a keyboard, that would be pretty sick, like that. I would be very interested to try that out. Imagine if Apple makes a notch in the next MacBook. Oh my god. That would be actually pretty hilarious. I don't know why they need a notch in there though. As for how you use the device, Lenovo is envisioning a variety of use cases. You can use it as a completely unfolded like large tablet or partially folded in a book-esque form factor. A built-in kickstand lets you prop up the display on a table for use with an included wireless keyboard and trackpad. And perhaps most interestingly, you can turn the device on its side and use it in a traditional, albeit smaller, laptop-style form factor, using the bottom surface as a digital keyboard or writing pad, similar to Lenovo's two-screen Yoga books. So nothing about specs. You're saying tight-lipped. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's a prototype, so we can't judge it too harshly, but it's that damn fold, man. That damn fold. I don't know. Don't want to push the screen to the corners, but like, even then, they could do something similar to how, I think it was Samsung did it, right? There was one Android device I saw, I don't remember who it was by, that has the camera up in the top right, and it looks like a hole punch. They call it like the hole punch phone or something. Like, I'd be even down for that. So it looks like support for some kind of cellular. It'll charge over USB-C. It's always good. Samsung's Galaxy Fold have cast a cloud over the concept. Lenovo says it's working to make sure that there aren't any similar problems on the folding ThinkPad. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I'd be interested in purchasing a foldable device, but I'm very interested in them. I think there's going to be a lot of really cool like potential around it, you know? A lot of really cool stuff's going to come for it, I would think, but cool. That's it for tech news today, folks. That's the only thing that I found that was like pretty interesting. Wanted to check it out, but yeah. Now let's move on to some Kid. It's been a while since we've looked at any code. It's been a while since I've actually touched any iOS code, which is like really sad. Look kind of dumb when the cam is not straight at you. LG has put it below the screen to people that talk just up you. Oh yeah, like it's on the bottom of the ridge. I wonder what happened to the rollable display Samsung showed like 8 years ago. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. You know, I think that's like what they're trying to work towards, you know? Trying to work towards that foldiness. But yeah, so we're working on this app called Cycles. I don't know if y'all remember it. It's an app. It's there. It does things. Over my time in Orlando, I did work on a couple things, but I didn't really have a lot of time to fully do like stream type work. And I kind of just want to do something that's fun today, you know? So I'm not going to worry too much about like the different bugs and things like that. We're just going to kind of work on what we currently have and get things going. But I did fix a lot of issues. One of them specifically being that issue where, you know, you'd complete this and the ring wouldn't appear. The completion ring wouldn't appear. Things would disappear, blah, blah, blah. I think I finally fixed it. So we're just going to move on from there. Today, really just working on this new settings view. So I'm a settings view. we're just going to work on that today. Should be simple, fun. Gives us some time to tip. According to they've had flexible glass already in a few years. So in 3 to 5 years, we'll see the good foldables. Oh, nice. Yeah, I didn't know that. Foldable glass, man. What a life, huh? Yo, Yemorks! Dude. 3 months at tier 1. This hiring manager is top tier. Thank you so much for the support, dude. And thanks for kicking off the support for Cycle servers for May. Highly supported, man. Thank you so much for the tier 1. And all the gifted subs. Because we all know that that's not just the only thing you've done for the channel. Hope everything is well, man. Thanks for coming by today. It's been a time. Hammy, the legend. Dude, Emorks is top tier legend god, man, person. I'm a settings view. Very good, Alec. All the settings. Yes. Yes. Oh, I guess it would make sense to pull up the settings, right? Yeah, let's do that there. It's not handling the stream? God damn it. Emorks, I need to get you. I need to get you a better internet service, man. This is what I was thinking for the settings view. It's literally something like this. Guess what? What? Tell me, dude. Tell me something awesome. If he lives in America, there's no good internet. I made wine today? Whoa. That's pretty dope. Wine. That sounds really cool. And how does it taste? Yeah, so this is basically what we're going to do here. I realize that we need some sort of like cancel button or like something to get out of this view. So, maybe we can just put that like right here. I don't know, we can just put that like in this section somewhere. Some X will go there. Like oh, I guess that would make sense, right? Like the fermentation and such. That's really cool, man. When I was in university, I actually made a batch of my own beer in my dorm. I was 21, so I was legally able. Well, in the the US, you have to be 21 to do that stuff. But I was 21. I was legally able to do it. But that was an experience. Wine. That's really cool though. I bought unlimited internet when I was there. Turns out the unlimited means like 2 gigs of 4G, which is like 20 megabits per second. 4G is 100 plus. Blazing fast 3G. Yeah, dude, 3G here is absolute trash. If you're not on, honestly, if you're not on LTE here, it's like a waste. LTE is ridiculously fast compared to those. I have the right what I do to do what I want with wine. You're right, man. Can't argue with you there. So like what I don't want to sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, but I don't know what I'm talking about. So like what flavor of wine? Is that like a thing? Like is it like a white wine or red wine, or does that make sense? God, flavor. I don't think that's the right term, but hope you understand what I mean. All right, so let's go ahead and put that like cancel button somewhere. Settings view. Oh wait. Oh, let's do black. And then here we'll also need to just throw in the I guess let's just throw a cancel button somewhere. We'll start with that. The only thing that worked on 3G was Messenger. Yeah, man. I'm sure there's a lot more. There's a lot of apps out there that will take forever to load. Red wine. I used grapes, crushed them up, got all the yuck hard bits out, added some yeast, added a lot of sugar, and then sealed it with an airlock. Very nice. Okay. Dude, that's super cool. For me, there's something about like making alcohol that's highly enjoyable. Like the process of waiting for it, you know? So yeah, so here we're basically going to do our same thing, you know, that we've been doing for a lot of the UIs. Just create the UI elements within our actual view, and then we'll go ahead and just add them. So for now, we'll just have a placeholder cancel button, so we're not stuck on that view in case we need to go in and out, right? So we do left button, UI button, button translates. And now we're just gonna do button dot, I think it's set text, set title, and that's going to be cancel, and that's just gonna be for the normal state here. And yeah, my friend reminded me remapping was the thing, so I downloaded auto hotkey on my desktop and swap my half key to a $sign so it works like my MacBook. Oh, there we go. Nice. I made alcohol a few times without trying, after getting some juice in my room for a while. The first time I heard about that, I was like, that's a lie. That can't be true. But yeah, it's a thing. Watch out for your juice, folks. Don't leave it. Don't leave it somewhere before it's gonna rat or just ferment. Yo, Marks, how's your game, dude? Yo! Our 5-month anniversary. Holy Evgen. Dude, you rock, man. Thanks so much for that tier 1 support, dude, for 5 months. I feel like we've been connected forever, dude. You and Emorks both. We're on a whole other level. Happy anniversary to us. Thanks so much for the support, man. I really appreciate that. Really, really appreciate that. And yeah, thanks for coming up second with that support cycle servers for May. For real, really appreciate it. Game's doing good, been busy with work, so I've just been focusing on YouTube at the moment. Oh, sweet, man. Have you been seeing a lot of progress in YouTube? I'm just a non-sub pleb, at least I'm here. You always have a special place, DK. Always a special place, dude. Did you finish up your portfolio site, man? You got the right headshot that you wanted? Hey, yo, one Emorks is in the chat. Your wishes will be granted. Yo, Emorks, thanks for gifting DK that tier 1 sub. You are now hired. Yes, you are officially part of the Pixelogic team now. As an intern, DK. We got the best hiring manager in town. He pulls them in quick. Pulls them in real quick. Hired without pay. Evgen, come on, man. Don't say that shit. We can't. Interns won't want to come if you keep telling them they're not going to be paid. God damn it. Legend. Yo, Hammy. Emorks is a goddamn legend. He is. 52 subs to the channel, man. My bank account already feels the pain. Hey, it's okay. It's like, oh shit. It's actually midway through the month already. Isn't that insane? Holy crap. It's already halfway through May. Dude, I'm like getting emotional right now. This is crazy. Experience. Hammy, dude, what are you doing up, man? It's 4:30. Did you go to sleep? All right, I just wanted to set my font here. Thank you again for that, Emorks. Enjoy the sub, DK. I just can't get enough. Just do like semi-bold. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Just something there. No? God damn it. Get some sleep, man. I got my salary on the 12th and I'm basically already broke. The feels, dude. The feels. I think I get paid tomorrow. Yeah. I'm fasting. Ah, yes. Yes. Makes sense. You gotta eat before sunrise? That makes sense, dude. I forgot that's going on now. How much longer do you have to fast for? So I guess I'm lucky. Yeah. You're lucky, or it's hard to keep up because then you have money to spend every single week. I can't wait to try that. I'm only 1 week into the month and I have no money left. No, you don't want that, DK. You do not want that. You want to save your money. That's the whole point. 20 more days? Ah, yes. Cool, dude. Very cool. All right, so we got our button. For now, I'm just going to put on the very bottom of the view. Add sub view, and it's just going to be cancel button. Yeah, I should save. I think it's time to start paying myself for being the hiring manager. Dude, we'll figure something out. Maybe once I reach partner, we'll start getting a cut for the hiring manager. For the mods, you know, for every sub we gotta make a little cut. Bringing in those new employees, bro. All right, we'll do cancel button dot. We'll do a center X dot constrain that equal to the. I can't spell. This is equal to the center X anchor, and then we'll also just do a cancel button dot bottom anchor dot constraint. And that's going to equal to the bottom of the view. So that's just going to be v. Oh, we actually need it equal to a constraint with some constant right now. Sounds good, U-Marks. Appreciate you being here, dude. For real, man. Thanks for the support. Check you later, my guy. My plan is to invest in realty to rent out when I get a job. If all goes to plan, I can retire in 10 to 15 years. Damn, dude. Yo, get it, man. Get it. That sounds like a fantastic idea. Rest in pepperonis. I haven't had pepperonis in a long time. That vegetarian life, you know what I'm saying? Let's do safeguards, actually. Ace area layout guide dot bottom anchor, and then we're gonna have to do like a negative, I don't know, 25. Yeah, and that should do it. The only thing we're gonna need to do now is add a action for this button, or it's not gonna do anything. You're vegetarian and you haven't told me before now? Really? Nah, man. Everyone knows I'm a veg head. Yeah, man. Vegetarian almost two and a half years now, I think. Yeah, it's been good times. Cool, so all looks good. Let's just add, I think we can just add a dismiss action on this. Like, I don't think I need to, since it's being presented, if we just add dismiss, it shouldn't be an issue. I think we can call dismiss from the controller itself. Let's do self action. Go do selector. And then for controller events, normal. Just call this obj. Oh, oops. Obj. Private funk dismiss. Private fun. No, I forgot the C. Should just be like that. Oh no, this is gonna actually call itself. Dismiss is only on a view controller. That's what we need actually. So let's do that on our view controller. Usually that's the first things vegetarians say. No. I just like, I don't go around saying like, yo, my name is Alec, I'm a vegetarian. You know? My brother is who he keeps trying to feed me vegetarian food, but only like 20 and 40% tastes really good. It's definitely a little bit to get used to, especially if your culture is more on the like meat heavy side, which a lot of my family, they're, you know, a lot of their food is with meat. Yo, Dilba, what's up, man? Welcome back, friend. Sub edit. Oh, sorry, dude. Thanks for being here, though. How you doing today? How you doing today? I guess we can just pass in a we can probably just set up a method. We just set up a method to pass back a action here. All right, so we basically have func setup constraints, func set cancel action, and then we'll just pass in our let's pass in our action. So we can just pass in action, and then this is just going to be literally a function that doesn't return anything. I think that's the syntax that we can use for that. Hello, Malik the vegan. I haven't been able to go vegan yet. I might one day. It's just the eggs and the cheese are hard. Like egg and dairy is really hard for me. I think I could do it, but I just don't know if I really want to. Vegetarian, I've had a lot of like really good fun with, you know. I'm all right. How have you been? Dude, I've been doing well. Sub is back, by the way. Sub is back? Whoa. I haven't gotten a notification, man. But thank you. You're freaking awesome. Sometimes I wonder how people remember all those emotes. I've been subbed to him for 29 months now, so also you can do and start type. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. Dude, yes, I actually have that in my fridge right now. That egg replacement. I've never seen it before. And then I saw it and I was like, whoa. And apparently, I haven't tried it yet, but apparently it tastes just like eggs. So I think I might actually be trying it today or tomorrow. I don't know yet. But yeah, super cool stuffs for sure. What? Basically, I just want to pass in this action. Is that really how it is though? Yeah, because we're just passing that action, so we should be able to do dismiss. And we'll pass in true. Oops. Not tree. We'll pass in true. And nil. Leave a review in the Discord. I want to try it next time I go to the States. Yeah, definitely will. I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it goes. I think it should be pretty good. Would you eat lab grown meat if it hit the shelves? No. Probably not. We are hitting here though, right? Oh, I'm so dumb. We haven't set any action yet. We didn't set it on the button. Soon you'll be right. Oh my God. I'm not sure. Yo! Cross coming in with the 5-person raid. Holy moly. Cross, what's up, dude? What's up, Tale of 4 gamers? Thank you so much for the raid. Appreciate you guys being here. Dude, what's up? Good morning. Hope your stream went well. And I hope you're getting ready for a good day of work. Thank you so much for the raid, dude, like always. Today's my first stream back in a while. We've been doing a lot of reruns, so I appreciate you coming in and dropping that raid, man. Yeah, welcome. Bug fixing like crazy? Nice, dude. I'm like on a very chill mode right now, just working through some stuff in cycles, nothing too crazy, but trying to figure out where we're taking this stream for the next couple months and see what's going on there. Well, welcome in everyone. Thanks for coming by. I guess this is a good time for story time. We got a raid, we got some people here. Let's let's talk about the future of the stream. Yo, thanks, dude. I appreciate that, man. I hope work's going okay for you, and I hope you've been having a good couple weeks. Haven't talked to you in a while. So as you guys know, I was in Orlando the past 2 weeks. I had to go out there for some work and hang out and such. Damn exhausting. Yeah, I'm sure, man. I'm sure you have long days and wake up early. But before that, I went out to Seattle, Washington. And if you guys know, Seattle, Washington is literally in the United States. Florida is on the bottom. Where I live is the bottommost point of the United States, and Washington is like the topmost point on the opposite end of the United States. So it's an all-day flight. You were totally in Disneyland. I didn't go to Disney World. I did go to Islands of Adventure though. And I did hang out a lot around there, which was really great. But when I was out in Seattle, I went out there originally because I got a cool interview with a cool place over in Seattle. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And during a lot of that time, it was this cool place that starts with a G and ends with an E. And that was pretty cool. Yo, Wolfhound Jesse, thanks so much for that follow, man. Welcome in. Ryan Roberts, Cub Lovers, what's up? Hey, welcome back, man. Nice to see you. I can be with the cool jobs. Well, the story is I went out there for this cool interview. And before that, I had a phone screen, all that fun stuff. And I went out there, had an on-site interview. And during that time, I was able to go see Microsoft headquarters in Seattle. And I actually got another really cool interview. So I interviewed for a couple companies out in Seattle. One of them being Microsoft, another one being the big G over there, Google. And during that time, man, I think I was there for like 5 days. I don't even remember. A long time felt like. But had a lot of those. Unfortunately, I did not get the Google job. It's very close. Very close. But they're like, you're not ready, young Padawan. And I'm like, I'm not that young, guys. But that's okay. Because I did get another offer from a team at Microsoft. That's pretty cool. It starts with an X and it ends with an X, actually. Now that I think about it. Double X. Sorry to hear. Yo, no worries, Licorice. Do you get a job? Can I come? Xamarin X. Zizbit XXX Xanax. PlayStation. Damn, you guys are all over the board. I love it. I think Xanax was the correct answer. Yeah, but no, I got a job with a team at Microsoft. Not with Xanax. Xanax is not owned by Microsoft, from my understanding. I don't think anyone owns Xanax. But I am outside of the official consulting role. I did accept the offer. So, folks, we're moving to Seattle. We're moving to Seattle in the next month. You're working for Vin Diesel as a stunt double. Yes, Triple X, they called me up. They're like, yo, we see that you're pretty muscular, man. We need you out here. Yo, what's up, Nash? Who owns an Xbox? Apparently people do, because they're hiring for roles. But yeah, so that was kind of like the secretness and the big news. A lot, like 2 months up until that time, I was studying for interviews, which was doing a lot of leak code. The Google job would have been super cool, but I think it was really meant to be for me to actually be on this team and stick with Microsoft. So it's great. I'm working for, it's called Xbox Store. Basically, we're going to be working on the store at Xbox. That's the team I will be a part of. Yeah, and the role is a software engineer. Yeah, software engineer, which will be really great. I'm not really a big one for titles, but going from a consultant to a software engineer title is going to be a huge step in my career. When I went to talk to these people, they're like, what the heck is a consultant? I'm just like, like they had the general idea, but they didn't know what a consultant was at Microsoft. We need you in Seattle for your muscularity. Yeah, Nasha, I'll be doing software engineer. Xbox iOS app. Yeah, they do have an iOS app. I won't be on that team, though. Thanks, Cross. I appreciate that, man. There are a ton of homeless people. It's really not that bad compared to a lot of the other parts. Actually, Nash. A lot of other parts in the U.S., unfortunately, have a lot worse homelessness, especially like California. No working from home then, I guess. Yeah, not working from home. Not working from home, but I'll be excited. I'm going to one of the newly renovated buildings at Microsoft campus. Microsoft campus is going to be top tier. Does this mean I have to switch over to Xbox from now on? Heck yeah, it does, Licorice. You should have been over on Xbox. What are you talking about? Did they ask you what happened to the bun? Yes, they did. Rip stream? Yeah. Oh, so stream stuff. Yes. So that was the big news. That was why I was so MIA most of that time. And like literally it was stream, do my day job, and then study at night. For interviews, because terrible at interviews, like tech questions. But streams are still going to happen, right? Like there's no change in stream schedules. This job will actually allow me to wake up later, which is great. And also technically for you all, the stream will happen 3 hours later in the day, because for me, that's California is 3 hours, Seattle is 3 hours earlier. So right now it would be 2:47 a.m. So obviously I'm not going to wake up at 2:47 a.m. That's just absolutely ridiculous. So we will go ahead and probably just start the stream about 3 hours later, or even maybe 4. So maybe that will help some of you in like the time, which would be cool. Put it towards the end of the day. But I hope they're able to do that. But we're still doing the stream. Stream's not going anywhere. Content of the stream will probably change though. Yeah, dude. Yeah, San Francisco has a really bad homelessness population, unfortunately. You won't go at 2:30 a.m. for us? Nah, man. Love you guys, but definitely not. Definitely not. What's the ridiculousness? Cross, because you're absolutely insane. That's what. That's what the ridiculousness is. You started training today around 3? Nice, Ryan. Good luck with that, dude. But that's the big news. That's what's been going on. So probably the next month or so, I haven't gotten an official start date, but I did accept the offer. So a lot of stuff's going to be happening. Obviously, one, moving to another state again. Oh man, this year moving has been quite difficult. So I hope you guys will still stick around as we go through this transition again, but hopefully this will be a good one for us. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and if any of you are out in that area, come by and say hey. Nash fan, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the team officially. Glad to have you here. Pretty sure Chicago is as well. You mean like homelessness? It's like there is homelessness, but it's really not that bad. Did you get a degree in CS, or did they not care about the degree and you just ace the questions? I did not get a degree in CS. I got a degree in IT, actually. Yeah, degree in IT, and just done a lot of hackathons and projects on the side. And, you know, it was really just about showing my skills. And yeah. Yo, Ryan, thank you so much for that host, dude. Really appreciate that. Yeah, dismantle the PC desk of yours. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, I do have to dismantle the PC desk. See you, Cross. Thanks for coming by, dude. Thanks for the raid. Appreciate you. There isn't a basketball team there? Fake it till you make it. Fake IT, yeah, dude, for sure. That is what it is. What? Wait, do Microsoft people watch your stream? I do have a couple of coworkers that sometimes watch my stream. That's why I was also waiting to wait until I officially accepted the job, because that'd be kind of awkward if someone comes by and they're like, "Wait a minute, what?" So I've told my manager, I've told all of them that I'm leaving. Yo, thanks for that, Nash. I appreciate that. Did they mention that they were Case ID 10T? No. Microsoft, give job, please. Yeah, some people do. If you guys have ever watched Jeff Fritz on Twitch, he's a Microsoft advocator, tech advocate. He does work at Microsoft as well. I've talked to him through Microsoft. We scheduled a call and stuff before. But I hope to now meet him in person, because I'm pretty sure he lives over there. So that'd be pretty cool. But I think it'll be really cool to see the community of Twitch streamers over in Seattle for Microsoft. You could have coded Minecraft in Java. That's a great project. I'd watch your stream rather than working. Yo, let's go. Just don't get fired, all right? I appreciate that, right? But yeah, that's the big news, folks. Is a Visual Studio team in Seattle? No, I think they're actually in Charlotte, North Carolina, but I'm not entirely sure. Were your college days stressful, or were you ever worried about failing? Yeah, they were quite stressful, and yes, I actually did fail a class. I did fail a class. You deserve it, mate. Hopefully you'll love it there. Yo, thanks, Licorice. I appreciate you, man. I really appreciate that. I think it'll be a good time. Good time for the career, that's for sure. Good time for the career. I'm just gonna work hard, have fun, you know? Work hard and have fun. Oh my lord. Oh, and the last thing pretty much, I think I have officially decided that I'm going to retire Cycles, and just kind of, I don't know, open source it, or just like, that's it. I'm just like, I'm really just tired of working on it, honestly. And I feel like I have so much more potential than this app. Like this, what? What about the missus? She excited as well? Yeah. We're having an interesting arrangement going on with that. She's actually not moving. She is staying here in Florida. So we're kind of taking this, we're kind of like, I don't know. It's going to be good. We have this whole plan set up, but she is not actually moving with me. She's going to be staying in Florida. So yeah. But yeah, so I'm going to retire Cycles. I want to work on something else, you know, like, things will be, this app has gotten me to the point, like, this app has gotten me to where I am right now, right? So, it doesn't make sense for me to keep going with it when I'm not interested in it anymore, you know? And I think you guys have seen, like, I'm not into it as much as I was before, and I'm just getting kind of annoyed by it. So, you know, I did it for fun. It was a good ride. It's a great portfolio piece, but we'll probably just open source it, put it up on GitHub, let people use it, be like, yo, this is trash. And then we'll move on to something better. And that will be the next step in the career. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, thanks, Licorice. Yeah, thanks, Furs. It's going to be fine. I mean, I wouldn't have taken the job if both her and I were not 100% on board with it, you know? I think that's a great thing about our relationship. We're like best friends before anything. So we got married young, you know? You know, like we got married pretty young. Like, we both have careers we need to focus on. So it's not like, it's hard to hold each other back, if that makes sense. That's just part of being in a relationship, right? So luckily we're able to work on that and still, like, make sure that our relationship grows as well as our careers. So, you know, and who knows, like, maybe in a year it's just not working out, and then I come back, or like she's like, yo, I'm ready to move out there, or who knows. But take it day by day, you know what I mean? Retiring Cycles was almost as good news as Evgen's like, yo, bro, get this shit out of here, man. Like, let's move on to something else. It feels good, man. It feels good to retire it. It's been too long. It's been way too long working on this app. It's been fun, though. Sounds healthy, just don't get... Yeah, I agree. I agree, Royce. No pregnancies will happen. I can promise you that. Not at all. I feel like you're 24. I'm 26, actually. I'm 26. Great, so what are we doing this stream? Oh, this stream we're just working on Cycles. I don't know when we're going to start doing that, but I'm still just going to, I don't know. I wanted to finish some of this up. I feel like we should at least, like, launch this. I feel like we should at least launch this next update, and then that's when we retire it, you know? Like, I've worked so long on this shit. Like, let's just get it out. It's been almost 30 days, so let's just launch it. Hey, Stacking, what's up, Mr. Sir? Gotta leave a lurk for lunch. Sounds good, Words. Thanks for coming by. Always appreciate you being here. Yeah, man. Yeah, I want to try to finish this up. I'm pretty much just going to get this settings view set up and we'll be good. It'll be good. Yeah. All right, so let's... I want to see if there are other ways to add actions to my button. I don't think there... I think that's the only way to do it. Yeah, okay. So, this is what we can do. Yeah, that is... I don't know if that's scary, Ryan, but it's really great. It's pretty fantastic. So can I get a little baby power phrase for what I just walked into? All I know is violence. There you go. That's what you walked into. Welcome in. Been looking at a Tesla. You saw a Tesla? Yeah, I think when I move, I'm buying a Tesla. Actually, I'm like 80% sure I'm going to buy a Tesla. This is the spec I'm going for right now. I'm going for the long range. First of all, it's all-wheel drive, which is top tier. I'm going for the like metallic silver with some sport wheels, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, I think I want this white interior. I love the white interior. If you guys haven't seen it in person, it is freaking beautiful. And then obviously autopilot feature, right? And then that's it. That's the spec, man. That's what I've been looking into, trying to figure out how to budget that. I'm a vegan, but I eat meat. Well, that sounds wrong. Yo, Permafrost, what's up, dude? Welcome. Nice to see you. So I don't regret somehow waking up at 4 a.m. today when I went to bed at midnight. Whoa. I think I did kind of the same thing, man. I could not go to sleep last night. Welcome back, dude. Nice to see you. You're getting a Tesla? I'm planning to, yeah. Yeah, planning to. I want to. If it works out, I would love to get a Tesla. Welcome back. Thanks, dude. Dude, I just let everyone know about Seattle. So we're all in. Getting a $70,000 Tesla. Hold your horses stacking. No, 70,000. Nah. No, man. I would be getting it when I get there. Here in Florida, I haven't had a car. Like I haven't had a car at all. So I'm gonna need a car when I go there. I guess I won't need one, but I would highly prefer one. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Buy out eggheads? Mr. Rich Pets. How much you selling eggheads for, bruh? My dad has a Tesla and he loves it. Which Tesla does he have, dude? I don't want to bring bad memories, but did you feel like you failed because of the work, or were you lazy? Oh, you're talking about in class? Nah, dude. I don't mind talking about that at all. I talk about it all the time. So I started off in college as a computer engineer, like major. I really wanted to work with graphics cards. Like I wanted to work at NVIDIA building graphics cards. And the first class, it's like one of the first classes you have to take is this thing called statics. It's like forces and physics and all that stupid shit. And that is the hardest. I tried so hard in that class. Like I've never tried so hard in a class before in my life. And I literally got an F. Like literally got an F. So the first thing I was like, yo, dude, my parents are going to absolutely destroy me. They're gonna be really mad. What do I do? And luckily my wife, now girlfriend then, was like, yo, why don't you just switch to something else? And I was like, I can't do that. Like I was having a crisis because I couldn't do that. I had to do computer engineering, right? I switched to IT because it was a mixture of hardware and software. I hated software. I'd never wanted to do programming. But look at where I am now. All I do is program, and now I'm a software engineer at Microsoft. So life takes you in weird directions, man. You just got to kind of go with it, you know? He has a Model S and SUV. Oh, dude, I love the Model X. Holy shit. That is one of the most beautiful cars. I wish I could get that one, but that thing starts like 100 grand. So definitely out of my budget. Yeah, I mean, it's the weed out course. It's supposed to really see if you're interested in getting into something like that, you know? He's got the white interior. I love the white interior, man. That's the one I want. I don't know why. I hate white, but that is something that I highly enjoy. That's cool, dude. That wants to be a pelican. Yes, that wingspan, though. Wolfhound Jesse, what's up? 6 a.m. Just finished a release and found your channel on dev.to. Oh, really? Life does take you in interesting directions. It does, man. It does. I've never heard of this site before. Really glad that you found me on here. Thanks. I'm gonna have to take a look at that. I hope your release went well, dude. What'd you release? Yeah, man, I never knew about CS till senior year of high school. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, dude. You just got to go with it. You try it, you like it, and you keep going. That's it. When are you moving? I don't have an official start date yet, but it's going to be probably in about a month. Maybe a month and like a week, depending on when I start. Oh, this is cool. Well, you can learn from live coders. Oh, this is awesome. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, this is so cool. Yo, it for real. It touches my heart when I see people do that. It's so cool to be like on a page of, you know, of stuff like that. Worked so hard for this live stream, damn it. It feels good. Feels good. Proration features to our Stripe integration. Proration is a word, I swear. Yeah, I was like, rolling, so no, yeah, dude, I don't think I can make it. Yeah, I'm already, I think they want me out even earlier, but you know, like life and stuff, like it's hard to just move across the country like that. So I know, I feel so bad, man. I wanted to go so bad. I'm actually highly sad about it. Yeah, I mean, I'll let you know for sure, but I don't think I'll be able to go unless I happen to be back in Florida, right? Because obviously I'm gonna be in Florida a lot because I want to see my wife. So I may be back before then. Who knows? Who knows? My boy's on the list. Hell yeah! Don't cry, dude. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. Stacking always coming in. It's all good. Yeah, life does happen. No, she is not moving with me. She is staying here. We're going to play it out for the first year and see what happens. And yeah, see what happens. Thanks, right? That is a fun fact. Okay, so for this I need to do a dismiss. Get this man off the channel. Yo, Wormius! What's up? Hey, yo. Welcome back, man. Nice to see you. Alright, so here we're literally just going to call action. And that is it. Straight up bars. I wish you the best, my man. I'll be honest, I'm not far behind you for moving out to the West, broski. Well, hey, if you find yourself in Seattle, dude, hit me up. Let's be roomies. I really appreciate that, man. Yeah, it's like I was talking about earlier. The only reason why I did take this is because, you know, my wife and I are on board for this. She needs to focus on her career and I do as well. So it's just one of those things that's like, when you're in a relationship, you got to give that, you know, like tug and pull. And we found a way to make this work at least for a year and see what happens there. But it should be good. We have a whole plan set up and I'm excited to see what happens. Okay, so we do that. Then we'll add the button state here. Add target. Add our selector here. Will you be restless in Seattle? What's the name of that movie? Oh, I'm not sure. Not sure what movie that is. I'm not very good at movies or actor names. Normal. I think we just do this. Sleepless in Seattle? Ah, yes. There we go. Yeah, I'm not very good at movie names. It's ironic though, like a month ago you were talking about Seattle and I told you how much I love Seattle and you're like, it's def cool to visit, but I could never live there. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Well, dude, so during that time, I was talking about it earlier, so I don't think I told you, I went out originally because I had an interview with Google. I had my first like phone screen and then they flew me out to interview on site in Seattle, and I didn't get that position unfortunately, but I was able to actually talk to some teams at Microsoft to interview with them while I was out there already. And so yeah, that's how that all played out. So during that time I was studying. I was studying for months ahead of that. So like I already kind of knew when we were talking about that. I was like, I'm going to already be going there. It's okay. You and that movie are the same age. Good to know. Good to know. Couldn't reverse that binary tree on a whiteboard. No. They told me it was a really hard decision, but they're like, you just need a little bit more time. But the recruiter's like, I'm going to contact you next year to see if we can get you out for another interview. I was like, all right. I did, yeah. So that's why I was doing so much leak code. I was literally streaming in the morning, work, do my Microsoft job, and then at night, that's when I would do like leak code and stuff. Weekends was like 8 to 12 hours of just algos, studying, doing all that stuff for interviews, man. I'm so glad it's over. That stuff is such a pain. It's just so much. All right, let's see if this works now. Yeah, the Google interview was cool. The campus is beautiful, first of all, at least in the Seattle area where I was. It was 5 interviews all day. But I mean, the questions weren't bad. Some of them were definitely more difficult than others. But I don't know. I'm just not good at that stuff. And the way that Google hires, right, is they hire based on your overall like engineering ability. Even though I was going out for an iOS dev job, while there were things that were focused on oh, what? Dismiss view. Yeah, this seems kind of weird. Oh, maybe this needs to be on a main thread? That could be it. Sleep party grade. Sleeping grade. Bro, getting out of college. What is happening here? Can I just do this? This is old. spot on, right? Like I expected everything. You know what I mean?
Even though I haven't subbed yet because I don't have a sub ready. Here is 9 months, big man.
Hey, thank you so much, Fabisky. I appreciate you for 9 months. Holy crap, we just had a child. We just had a Twitch baby. Thank you so much for the support, Babisky. Really appreciate you, man. I hope all is well. And thanks for supporting Cycle servers for... Oh, man, we're going to have to change that to something else. What are we going to support now? Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Who is dad? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's 2019, man. We're both dad. We're both dead. How you doing, man? Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome back for 9 months. Freaking animal. I'm dead. We're going to support Alex Tesla savings. Support Alex Tesla monthly payment. Tesla monthly payment. I like that idea, DK. Let's do it. Game stream this weekend? Yeah, actually. That sounds actually like a good idea. I haven't really thought about it. Game stream this weekend does sound like a lot of fun. For every sub you get, they get to ride in it for 1 second. Every month you've subbed is every second you get to ride in the Tesla. I'm glad you're here too, Babisky. Hey, today's gonna be a good day, man. For all of us. We're all gonna have a great, fantastic day. It's gonna be sunny and beautiful wherever you live, hopefully. We're gonna kill it. You need to practice the binary tree for next year. That is true. Gotta get on that leak code, man. I keep pulling it up on my phone to order one. Dude, I do the same thing. It's like, for now it's been on more of like a daily basis, but yeah, I keep looking at it. I'm like, am I really gonna do this? Oh man. But I think I am. I really do feel like I'm gonna do it. 30 miles. It's supposed to be cloudy today. Well, okay, forget the sunny part, folks. Forget the sunny part. Just have a fantastic day today. Just be like, yo, it's gonna be dope today, bruh. Like that. You can say it like that or however you want to say. I don't know. As I slowly write code. I don't understand how to pass this in. I thought I knew. Oh, I think maybe because I think I know why. I think I maybe know why there. Or actually, I think it's the time that I'm setting this, maybe. We'll try it out. It's supposed to be called the chance of meatballs, so you're vegetarian to watch. What a thing to say, man. No, it still doesn't like it for some reason. I don't know what the issue is though. It's only on click, so I guess I'll just put a breakpoint somewhere. Or is it like even here yet? I don't even know. There really isn't a movie that involves a vegetarian diet. Oh my god. Why is this getting called, I guess is the question. But this did get called. Claudia with a chance of celery. Yeah. If there was celery raining on my head, I don't think I'd appreciate that too much. That's a weird thing there, with how that's working. Oh, Food Inc. Yeah, there you go. This is calling dismiss view. That's what the oh, that's what it is. Oh. No wonder. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I did this completely wrong. What's supposed to happen is we're supposed to actually set this action on the controller here. So once this loads, then we can add wonder if I can just do a dismiss. I can't just do that there. Unless you're a poverty stricken. Yeah, I would agree. Yes, Endgame was fantastically good. I've really enjoyed that movie. Oh, Super Size Me, yeah. He came out with some bad shit when he finished that movie. He was he had some issues for a while, I think. All right, so we do that there, and for touchdown, we really need some real estate. Rosabeards, I'm in the canteen now. Are you in Planet Tatooine? Nice. Yeah, that was the whole point, though, you know. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I think I didn't spell it wrong. Oh, I probably have to do a self.dismiss. No, it's gonna be the same thing. Let's call this dismiss view. I made a fire Mediterranean veg sandwich last night. Hey, nice, dude. Yo, Perma, have you heard of a place called Vegan Kitchen before? And if so, have you ever been there? No. Okay. I'm going to go there today, actually, I think. Looks really good. It's like Asian cuisine, but it's all vegan. Yeah. It was a little titty. It was itty titty. Itty titty map. Hell yeah, dude. All right, so we load the view here. We set that up there, which means we don't need this any longer. And I think that should do the trick. Where's it off of? I think it's in Naples somewhere. It is. I looked at it yesterday. Neapolitan Way. Yeah, Naples. What? What you mean? Oh. Oh yeah. No, that's fine. That makes sense. I think it's like a little hole in the wall place. Yo, Vicus Wasa, dude. Finally, after a long time. I know, man. I know. Glad to be back. Glad to see you, man. There we go. We finally got it dismissed on our view. Yeah, Babisky. That's awesome to see, man. I'm really glad. You got this, dude. Just take it day by day. That's all you can do, you know? I'm sure feeling accomplished like that is top tier, my lad. All right, so we finally got that set up. So that's good. That's nice. Folks, I hate to do this, but I think I need to end the stream a little early today. Actually pretty early. I got some people coming in to do stuff at my house. And I'm trying to get a little bit of work done early, so while they're here, I can get stuff done. Sorry, guys. I know first day back, I'm not even a full stream, but I promise tomorrow we'll get it in. We'll get it in all the way. Wow, that sounded so wrong. I'm so sorry about that. We will do a full stream tomorrow. Oh, I know. I'm horrible today. But that's what I was saying. The next month or so is gonna be just sort of weird, and I'm sorry, but please stick with me. Buy me dinner first. You got it, bud. Meet me tonight. You too, Wolfhound. Thanks for coming by, man. I really appreciate you being here. But let's go ahead and raid a fellow programmer. Codephobia is someone that we haven't raided in a while. Just go ahead and show him some love. He does a lot of web dev. Yeah, you all have a great day too. Thank you so much for coming out today. I really appreciate all the support and you all being here. It's great to be back. I'm really sorry again about today, but I promise tomorrow we'll get back into it. I just realized that I probably want to do that, get this stuff done quick instead of having to wait. So just get that work stuff out of the way, and I won't have to worry about it later. So stick around for the raid, folks. Let's show Codephobia some love. Yeah, it's going to Vegan Kitchen out. Yeah, thank you so much, Licorice. I appreciate you being here, man. Hell yeah. And don't forget the raid message, folks. Grab that message. Let's show Codephobia some love. Thank you all for being here. Peace and love. Show this man some love. I will see you all here tomorrow and on Discord. Peace and love, friends. Have a good one.